Ngayong araw nga ay ipag-shopping kami ni Mister.
Mas magandang oversized eh.
So si Mama guys, nahihilig siya sa pantalon na pang sinaunang panahon.
Kukuha ako ng madaming t-shirt.
Mama, I want like this. I said I want this.
Okay.
The skirt is 999.
Two in the mobile.
Mama, the rupees.
Yeah, it's okay na. Tingin ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong gusto ko. Pwede bang i-cash na lang?
Hi, this is my mother blog, Mr. Cardi.
Mrs. Isang beses lang sa isang taon ito mangyari.
Mala.
Kasi nga, pag Diwali kasi kailangan bagong damit yung susuotin mo.
Kailangan libre niya tayo.
Pero magmumotor lang kami, dalawang motor. Angkas ko si Mama at saka si Mita. Si Mr. naman, angkas niya si Ate Sian and Sandy. Okay naman. Di ba gusto mo yung pantalon mo? Pero pwede mo lang bilhin ngayon. Parang isa o dalawa.
Ay, dalawa.
So, marami tayong imbak na coupons.
Kukuha ako ng madaming t-shirt. Tapos i-ama ko siya, i-test out ko siya. May gusto akong style dito. Hindi mo lang kasi magigets unless na
Bell bottom. Bakit tinawag bell bottom?
Kasi malaki yung baba niya, tagawalis.
Nga pang sinaunang panahon talaga. Ano na? Ay, ang cute oh.
ayun, hinahanap ko ba yun?
Ayan. What's that? It's rainbow. How about you?
Mama, can I have this?
Can I see it?
They will fit. Did it fit? Do it fit?
Yeah. It's nice.
This one? Yeah, I want it. How much is it?
Okay, you check first. But you have this same color already, no? Same like that.
Yes, I want that. I want that.
Parang maganda yung green.
How much is this? How much?
You want that for swimming?
No. That's why am I so cute? No, I'm cute. No, I'm super duper cute. No, I'm super duper cute. No, I'm
You like it?
that's nice. So nice. Oh, that looks so cute. Mama, you like my face? Mama, my eyes are brown. Mama, my eyes are brown.
No. Yeah, your eyes is brown.
Why?
Your eyes is brown.
Why?
You should stop watching iPad and TV.
No, Mama. No, when I was a baby, from your tummy it's dark.
Oh, it's dark. That's
Yeah.
what your.
That's why when it's dark, you will have blue eyes. When it's not dark, we have brown eyes. Let me see who's there.
Ay nakong batang ire. Ilang beses ka ba inire? This looks nice also, but it's not matching to the skirt.
That was first one you wear.
I will look nice if I have one nice hairstyle. Mama,
Yeah, like that is enough na. Oh, you want to put inside.
I'll go as
You first. You like it or what?
I like it.
You like it. Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
So you like it
Can I go
better?
ask Papa?
Okay, just wait. Where are you? Where are you, Mita?
Mama, how to fix it? I don't know.
Don't know. That's okay. Like that. I'm feeling this one is little bigger than it.
I do it. I can't do it.
Just wait.
This is the same
What
size.
do you want to do, ba?
I just want to fix it.
Fix what?
This one.
See, you insert hand here and go out.
The one is thicker.
Understood now?
That's what I do.
You know na?
Yeah. Hey, this one need to be out. This one need to be out too.
You like that dress?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, what you guys think? This is nice. choose which I like. Mama, look at my new hairstyle.
Wow, you look like McDonald. You want to hide from me? Sila mama guys, nasa baba sila. Nagsusukat sila nung napili nila. Nakapili na kasi si mama at si ate Sian. So ako, baka bukas na daw, sabi ng mister ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong gusto ko. Kasya yung ano mo?
Oo, sakto lang.
Ay, ang ganda. Super ganda siya. Ang mga anak ko guys, nagpunta sa dosahan at kakain muna sila ng dosa. Tapos ako dito, nag-order ako ng palagi namin ino-order ng mister ko na gobi noodles. So, gobi Manchurian na may noodles. Kasama ko si mama, kaya lang si mama bumili siya ng soft drinks. Nung una, hindi ko masyadong kayang kumain ng gobi kasi maanghang. Pero ngayon, parang normal na lang sa akin. Ano yan, ma? Pero ma, yung pantalon, gusto mo talaga, nahiya ka lang. Ha? Mahal ka niya. Hiyaan mo na. Gusto mo naman yung pantalon. Ako, pag gusto ko, kahit mahal, bibilin ko kasi yun yung nagpapasaya sa akin. Sabi ko sa kanya, kung namamahalan ka, wag mo na bilhin. Kasi sabi ng mama ko, mahal yan. Pero gusto kong bilhin yan kay mama kasi alam ko gusto niya yan. Dami tao. Kaya pala kami nag-shopping ng mga bagong damit guys. Kasi magdidiwali. So sa Diwali, bago lahat ng damit namin. Taon-taon talaga nagpapa-shopping ang mister ko ng Diwali na damit.
Kailan ba yan?
Sa 20 ata o 21. Kalahati nga lang to eh.
Yan?
Oo.
Pati akin?
Pansip na may kubi. Lalo tayong manghang ang puwit nito. Manghang to. Sobrang anghang nito.
Hindi naman masyado, ma?
Yung bibig ko hindi na naanghan. Yung tiyan ko, sobrang anghang. Unang subo. Wait lang.
Tagal mo sumubo. Ako'y na.
Sarap.
Ano mo ba? Pag pupunta kami ni Tim, umaalis kami ni Tim, hindi pwedeng hindi kami dumaan dito. Gusto namin dito ni Tim, pero hindi naman lagi. Pag kunyari umaalis lang kami.
Pag nag-grab lang si Nitin, na gusto niya kumain.
Oo.
I didn't get to show Mama how my outfit looks. I'm going to try it out now.
You don't know, this dress is Deepavali only.
Yeah.
And the time of
Yeah, do you want to go?
Wow. I think first time you are having skirt, no?
Yeah.
Ay, so cute.
We still have time to go outside.
No time. No one is there.
Only one period.
Yeah.
Thank you, one
Ay, so cute.
Pati ng pantalon.
Fashion show.
Gusto mo sa